Whoa, 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 whoa. What are you guys doing?
What do you mean, what are we doing? I'm just playing on this green box.
I'm just trying to plant some flowers I never got around to. What do you guys think, magnolias or chrysanthemums?
Neither. You shouldn't be out here or even around this.
Why not? They put it in the field that I always play in.
So you're telling me I can't plant flowers on my own property?
No, you can't plant flowers within 10 feet. This is a pad-mounted transformer. These provide electricity to all the homes in the area.
That just sounds like a bunch of phooey, Gabe. I don't believe you. Besides, there's not even anything in here.
I can show you what's in here. Look.
Pad-mounted transformers, those green boxes you sometimes see in front of homes and other buildings, supply electricity underground. The power cables, fuses, and switches are kept inside this green case to protect them from the elements and wildlife. However, in very rare cases, usually involving something striking the case with significant force, the transformer can become damaged and may cause the casing to become energized. If that happens, coming into contact with the box can lead to electrocution. Children should never climb, sit, or play on a pad-mounted transformer. In addition, you should never plant flowers, shrubs, trees, or place fences within 10 feet of the pad-mounted transformer entrance and within 5 feet on all other sides. Underground electrical equipment can be damaged by the digging, which can also lead to serious injury. Here are a few examples of transformers where the vegetation is too close for utility workers to access the box. Utility workers need 24/7 access to pad-mounted transformers in case of a power outage or other maintenance. If something is blocking their way, they will remove the obstruction to gain access. If you notice a damaged pad-mounted transformer or notice an unlocked casing, contact your utility company immediately.
Oh, so you really weren't kidding.
No, I just didn't want you guys to get hurt. So.
Thanks, Gabe. I guess we can just go play inside the house.
Yeah.
Oh, can I hang out with you guys?
Sure.